multiplying by 10, 100 and 1000 and dividing by 10, 100 and 1000. This is an area which is taught in upper key stage 2, usually primary 6, and can cause significant problems between school and home. This comes from the fact that in years gone by, many adults have been taught to add or remove zeros from numbers rather than the new approach, which is based on a mental maths strategy. The strategy begins by extending the already known concept of using column headings, thousands, hundreds, tens, units, decimal point, small t and small h used for tenths and hundredths. The familiarity of these headings or these hats is well established at this stage because the children have really been using them since primary 2 or primary 3. The extension into decimals only takes place in primary 6. When multiplying by 10, 100 or 1000, the answer is larger. Therefore, the children should realise that they will be moving any digits this direction along the line, to the left. Conversely, when dividing, the answer will be smaller, and as the numbers get smaller when moving to the right, the children will be moving their answer to the right. Crucially, at no point does the point move. The decimal point remains fixed in place. The number of zeros in a task will help the children realise, will tell the children how many columns they are moving the number. So, for example, using this calculation, the children are first taught to put the numbers in the correct columns. 70 is in 7 tens, 2 in the 2 units column. We are multiplying this number, which means we will be moving the digits this direction. And we have got 2 zeros in 100, meaning that we will be moving the numbers 2 columns. The 7, which is now in the tens, moves 2 columns into the thousands column. The 2, currently in the units, moves 2 into the hundred column, There is nothing now in the tens column, and that is denoted by adding a 0. There is nothing also in the units column, that is also denoted by adding a 0. Therefore, we have the answer of 7,200. To extend this principle into division, we will start again with our 72 and placing it in the appropriate columns, as before. This time we are dividing, and the numbers will move to the right. On this occasion, because we are dividing by 10, they will move only 1 column to the right. Starting with the 2 moves from the units column into the tenths column. The point does not move, remains fixed where it is. The 7 moves from the tens column into the units column, giving us the answer of 7.2. Thank you.